Good morning, students. As you know, the number of cells causes the volume of the organism. The volume of organism doesn't depend upon the size of the cells. For example, human beings have about human about 10 to the 14 cells. So the size of the organism depend on the number of cells, not on the length of the cell. Now, a typical structure of cell. The typical structure of cell is the structure of cell which are seen under the compound microscope. Under compound microscope, we cannot see the cell organelles clearly. In typical structure of cell, we only classify it into cell membrane and the protoplasm. And the protoplasm is the inclusions of the cells under the cell membrane. And the cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. This outer covering of the cell and the inclusion of the cell, which is known as protoplasm. This protoplasm is divided into two parts. First, liquid type inclusions known as cytoplasm, and the dense part present in the center is known as nucleus. So nucleus and the cytoplasm is combinedly known as protoplasm. But the ultrastructure of cell, the structure of cell seen under the electron microscope. This electron microscope is very powerful microscope in which we can see clearly the cell organelles. Cell organelles, these are the structure present in the cell which have definite structure and function. These cell organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome, peroxisome, centrosome, Golgi body, vacuole, cilia, flagella, etc. In which chloroplast and vacuoles and cell wall, these three organelles, cell organelle, the cell wall, chloroplast and vacuoles are present only in plant cell, and in animal cell these may be absent or vacuoles may be present in very minute structure. Rest organelles are also present in the animal cell with centrosome. Centrosome is not present in plant cell. It is only present in animal cell. These are the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. Is it clear? Now, this is the typical animal cell and this is the ultrastructure of plant cell, in which outer rigid part is cell wall, in which cell membrane is surrounding the cell inclusions, and the liquid type of the inclusions known as cytoplasm. Mitochondria is stair-like